Sermon number 107. Describing the days of Siffin. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I have seen your flight and your dispersal from the lines. You were surrounded by rude and low people and Bedouins of Syria, Sham, although you are the chiefs of Arabs and summit of distinction, and possess dignity as that of the high nose and big hump of the camel. The sigh of my bosom can subside only when I eventually see you surrounding them as they surrounded you, and see you dislodging them from their position as they dislodged you, killing them with arrows, and striking them with spears so that their forward rows might fall on the rear ones, just like the thirsty camels who have been turned away from their place of drink and removed from their water points.